Hello, good morning. After 3 years, we are going to make the plunge. We're going to put the camper on the truck today and get everything, move it over to put it on a dolly. The camper's going over to the dolly instead of sitting on blocks. We're having a little bit of an issue with this leg right there. That leg wants to flex around a little bit, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. I think it's just the ground, but I don't know for certain. So we're going to get a little extra help with that. Working on the truck today a little bit. Truck is running pretty good. Doing some interior work. Had to back here in the corner for the rear seat. Had to chase the threads. I got my tap and die set out. Had to chase the threads so I can get the bolts back in the holes so I can get the rear seat in. I got put that piece in, and the top, I want to try to either do a custom one, ceiling panel, or a factory one. Either one's fine. But yeah, I have this piece. I just got to install it. I have the back seat, the rest of the back seat. Just have to install it. All the seat belts are done. This seat belt I changed over, so I have one seat belt left on the passenger side. And trying to get that very bottom bolt out is just a bugger. So I'll probably have to work on that. Alright, we're ready to back it out. Put on this. We may have use that tractor right there to help stabilize it. So, careful, careful, careful. All right, she's starting to get wobbly again. Doesn't want to stay. I don't know if it's just this particular camper or if they're all kind of wobbly like this, but I think it's this one. So I'm trying to get it back up on the.
These bolts are gonna hit the bed rail.
What bolts? No,
Those are too fucking long. That's funny.
No.
Alex, you definitely are up high enough. There's
Oh
it's
yeah,
a
all
gap.
the way across there. Yeah. It's gonna rub all the way down this side.
Oh, is it?
Just
Both sides. Got a grinder, at least cut these ones off. Yeah.
apparently my bolts are long. All right. Apparently the bolts are too long. Is the back ones too long?
You get both sides? Yeah, it's not a cutoff switch. Oh, I got it wrong. Maybe. Let me know when you do.
Okay, it's starting to tip over here.
The problem with Rush's camper is that
You nervous?
Yes.
Keep going. This side still? Yeah. Alright. We've done worse.
It's definitely up.
Oh, is it leaning forward? Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Oh, it's gonna tip.
Come over on this side, it's got to go along.
It's on. To say it was a Herculean effort is an understatement. Yeah, looks pretty good. Not without some very difficult process just to get it up there. It should not be this difficult, but looks good. Apparently the mounting hooks on the back are a little short, so we gotta make I gotta get some chain for the mounting hooks. Well, we're on the road, and you can see the mirrors can't see nothing. All you can see is the side. I gotta get wider mirrors, but it's up here. Anyway, it's here. Now it's time to try to get this hog off. Well, it made it. I don't know if I went over this. So on this is a cart I made with 6x6s and some big wheels. They all spin and rotate, so that should help. It made it much easier. The jacks are all, they're not good. We gotta figure out a way to lock the jacks. They're too wobbly. It's just an absolute nightmare. This piece up here popped loose, so I gotta work on this. Lock this back down. But otherwise, it did all right. And crazy enough, that window looks through this window, and you can see right out the back. It's really not too bad. I gotta go up there and I gotta go and look and just see, but it's pretty stable now. So, gee whiz. This ipe or ironwood here, this is nice, but boy, that stuff gets warm. Anyway, all right, let me check this. Well, the inside is super stable. This cart worked very well. It's very nice and stable. Anyway, so everything worked out pretty good. So, gee whiz, ready to go.